Greetings and happy snow day. Business as usual as much as we can. Note that we'll be going to block periods again tomorrow. So that means you guys in second period, fourth period, and sixth period will be doing some of this stuff tomorrow. So put us a little bit out of order. Okay, I hope you did okay with the bell ringer. And I just want to go over a couple of things here. You'll notice that there'll be virtual day instruction listed tab here. If you already found that, this is where you found me here. The remediation for topic 11, that is the test makeup stuff. We'll have that due on Monday since you're not in school today, but we want that all done on Monday. And I put all of the readings right here, so you feel free to use those readings, each of those corresponding to a specific section. All right, now when it goes to what we're looking at today, we're talking about state building, and we've been looking at Russia, Prussia, which is the seat of modern Germany, and Austria, the countries further to the east than the countries along the Atlantic. We looked at Spain, we looked at France, and we'll be looking at England a little bit later because its trajectory, its history is a little bit different and very important for us as Americans and very important for the development of democracy. But we're going to look at that later. So today, take a look at the issue of Russia and Prussia and Austria. We'll be finishing that reading assignment tomorrow and taking the quiz in class tomorrow. So we'll make sure that if you are falling behind on that, you might want to put a little time into it. But today we'll look at some reinforcement activities. We're going to do a few things to explore what was going on in those countries in terms of state building. You remember, state building is the process of states defining and maybe expanding their territory, either with colonies, like what the Spanish were doing, or in the land itself, like wars between Austria and Prussia, for example. We're looking at the issues of authority. And when we're doing that, consider the concept of bureaucracy. You'll read about that in section 2. And bureaucracy is the idea of creating an institution or creating groups of people whose job it was to carry out government functions. This could be judges, tax collectors. Today, for example, the Department of Environmental Protection, the DEP, will go out and looking at farmland and making sure that the environment is not being hurt by the practice of farmers. That puts them oftentimes at odds with the farmers themselves. But those are bureaucrats. Their job is to oversee government laws and to collect taxes and to oversee that people are following the law as said. These bureaucrats basically are what makes a law effective because they make sure that those laws are being enforced. So you'll read about that. So can carry out those activities, and we'll finish section 2 tomorrow. Okay, I hope you folks are having a good day. Please attend to your studies and shovel the sidewalk for mom. All right.